Hey angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today, I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I melt this lace right down onto my head. This is how it came out and it's super cute. The product that I will be using today is actually Chic Extreme Invisible Hold, and it's from the company Salon Pro. This is what it looks like. And they also have this remover here. So you got to make sure you use both. If you guys really enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's just dive right into the tutorial. Okay, Angel, so I'm going to start out this video with my little brush, and I'm just brushing my edges back because you just want to make sure all of your hair is back. And I know with my hairline, it comes all the way to the front. So I have to really make sure everything is back because, you know, you got to protect your natural hair. Then you just see me adjusting this cap like so. Everything is pretty self-explanatory in this video, but I am going to like walk you guys through it. So just take like your foundation shade, powder, foundation, beauty blender. That's what I'm using here, foundation brush, and just pat it right on that cap so you can get that skin tone look. Then I'm going to be taking some alcohol and some cotton pads, and I'm just going to be brushing along my edges, right along my hairline, because you want to remove any excess oils and dirt and whatever. But I actually have makeup personally myself because I did my makeup first. So here you see the Chic Extreme Invisible Hold Lace Bind, and you see the conditioner remover as well. Just to let you guys know, they do have a premium invisible hold as well. I'm using the extreme today. So you just want to use whatever tools that you like to apply it. I'm going to be using my concealer brush and applying it on the back of my hand. But I showed you guys the applicator because you can actually use the applicator and go along your hairline as well. So you see me just taking my time and applying this glue. It applies white, but you want to give it time to dry down. So as it dries down, it's going to dry down clear. Now be careful, guys, that you don't get this glue or any glue in your hair. So you see me carefully going along the hairline. So just to let you guys know, this glue is definitely for sensitive skin. It's residue free, and it's waterproof, which is very important. We want it to be waterproof. So just in case, you know, you have oily skin or you get your hair wet, this glue is going to make sure your wig is melted, and that's exactly what we want. We don't want this wig going nowhere, honey. So right now I'm just showing you guys that I'm letting it dry down. So you can see it's starting to turn clear because it's drying down. So this is my lace wig. I already cut the lace off of it. As I'm showing you, it's cut, lace is cut off. And I'm going to be showing you guys now how I actually apply the wig. So I'm going and I'm putting the wig on. And this wig actually has a really awkward like side part. So you see me adjusting the wig first before I actually bring it up on the glue. I'm just going to adjust it, see exactly how I want it to be, and then you just want to start bringing it up. Right now I'm securing the back of the wig, making sure everything is straight, and then here we go. I'm going to start bringing this wig forward so it can go right on the glue. And I noticed, like, as soon as I started to put it right up on the glue, it had already started holding. I was like, girl, hold on. But as soon as you bring it forward, it's going to really start sealing that wig down. So what I like to do is I like to start off in the middle and bring it up, and then you want to go and work on one side and bring that forward. Once you get that secure, you go on the other side and you bring that other side forward. So don't do it all at once. Try to like do piece by piece, just so you can make sure you get it right up on your hairline where you would like it to be. So as you can see, I'm showing you guys everything. You just press it down onto your scalp just to make sure everything is secure. As you can see, I'm pressing it down with my fingers. You know, some people say press it down with a comb, press it down with it. No, girl, use your fingers, use whatever you like. There's no residue, as you can see, and there's no mess on my forehead, honey. I love that. Nice, clean, and easy. That's what we're going for. So as you can see, I'm brushing this wig, and it's secure. It's not going anywhere. You want to take like a silk scarf just to make sure that wig is melted. Let that scarf sit on for about 15 minutes, and girl, you're good to go. Boom. There she go. Yep, that's her. She's laid. So go in and add some baby hairs if you would like. I just added like 2 little cute little swoops. Let you guys know that when you remove this wig, make sure you use the conditioner remover and the shake test. Let's go. Honey, melt it. Yes. Okay, Angels, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It was a pretty easy and simple tutorial. I just wanted to make sure that it was beginner friendly so anybody can try it. This is why I chose this particular lace front wig. I know some people don't have the money to get the full on frontals and everything like that, but if that's something that you guys would like to see, if you guys would like me to apply a frontal with this glue, then I can do that for you guys as well. But this is a full lace front wig and I just applied it with the glue. So please make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But always remember, the secret to success: put God first. Always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.